Good day, double GDP community. This is Gary here, designer of the team. Welcome to the Sprint update for November 2020. November 2020. So in this sprint, I added some elements to our WGDP design system. One is the table view, and then the other is pagination. We often find that times information run over to the next pages, and as such, the need for the pagination elements on our design system to enable consistency across instances of this particular element. Same as the table view. What our tables are going to look like on the platform, we make use of tables a lot. So I found out that these are elements that we need to be added to the design system. Another thing I worked on in this sprint is the remind me later button for our tasks. So right now you can set a reminder to be ready in an hour or 24 hours to pick a particular time and date to be ready for a particular task. Once you do this, you get a notification, a pop-up toast success message, and then this is what it shows when you have your reminder set on a particular platform already, and your particular task rather already, and then you can remove the particular reminder. In this sprint, I work closely with the CSMs to bring their ideas to life. One of these ideas is called Feature Friday, which will be running on our social media. You can check that out on our Instagram. So in this, we have different features that we're going to be having on our platform every week, every Friday that we'll be talking about. For last week is the ID card. This week we have another feature. You can check that out on our platform if you'd like to know. I also worked on the deep design for our runners for the Ikoshi marathon that took place, and also banners as well. These are two different options. Another thing I worked on in this sprint is the ability for users on the platform to be able to check their profile and also edit the information themselves. So right now, as opposed to what we had before, which was just one phone number and email address per user, but now we have a primary phone number and a secondary phone number, and then the physical address for each user. So right now, as a user on the platform, you'll be able to edit profile and then see your category. Who are you on the platform? Are you a visitor or a client, prospective client, or whatever? So now you can edit photos, and then you can also edit your email address, your phone number, probably a secondary phone number, as well as your address, your physical address, and then you can save changes or discard changes. So also on the admin views, you can now see um, these form fields. So you now have a primary phone number and secondary phone number, as well as same here where you also edit, and here as well. So right now, I'm going to still be working on this to portray what the idea I have and what I would like it to look like in some sprints to come. Another feature I worked on is the comment style. So what's a comment going to look like for admins on the platform? Um, how do we help them so that it's easy to track? Um, so that it's easy to track comments on the platform. How are they going to be able to track comments on the platform? Um, so this is what an admin comment section is going to look like. You can see posts from comments that people put on different discussions on our discussion board on our platform. So one of the main things I worked on in this sprint is form design. So we've been working on form designs for some time now. So I think although we still have one or two things to sort out, but a lot of it is already up and running. So one of the features we have is to be able to add form fields. So you can add a new field. This is what it looks like when you add a new field. Once you add a new field, click new field. Yeah, you put in the question that you want to ask, which is called the title, and then select the type of form field is going to be. Is it going to be signature? Are you receiving signature? Is it going to be a text? Is it going to be radio buttons and all of that? So for each instance, then we have design for it. So this is what a simple text field is going to look like, and this is what a radio field is going to look like. So let me give you an. So this is what a form radio is going to look like. When you select radio, this is what it looks like. You're going to have different options, and they can add options as you want. So you can select if you want this field to be required, which means it's going to be mandatory for users on the platform, whoever is doing this form, to be able to going to be a required field for them. And then this is for only admins. You want only admins to take to be able to view this and answer this particular question on your form, and then select the order number. You can preview the form. Once you preview the form, you can switch between preview and then edit form, and then you can save as draft. Save as draft means that you are not ready to publish, so you just save it as draft and then you can publish it. So once you preview the form, this is what it looks like. The form you printed, and then you can go ahead to publish the form. Once you publish the form, users on the platform can see this form and then fill it as we wish. Saving a form as draft means that you are not ready to publish it now. You don't want your users to see this form now, or you've not verified all information that you want to be receiving yet, whatever instance it is. And then you can go back to the form's home page and then publish later or edit as you wish. So when you are creating a particular form, this is what it looks like. So the field name, field type, select toggle either required field or for only admin, and then put in the other number, and then you can save field or remove this particular field. Once you save field and remove this particular field, you have this button that says new field, which enables you to add a new field. So on the forms homepage, you're going to be able to view a particular form, publish a particular form, or delete. Once you view a particular form, it takes you to this screen where you can either go back and save it as draft or then edit the form. And when you edit the form, you have this screen, and then you can add new form fields and then save as draft and then publish the form. Yeah, social media for our feature Friday. Last week we had ID card, like I said earlier on, and this is the header photo for our social media for our posts on our platform. Thank you for listening and looking forward to the next sprints.